I'm here right now with another one of our gold sponsors, CNES Shoes from Singapore with Alan. Alan, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Of course, not a stranger to the Super Trunk shows. You've been a very active participant both in London, New York, and now soon in Singapore. So thank you for all your help putting that together, and we look forward to bringing this event to Singapore. Talk a little bit about CNES, because CNES is one of the shoe companies that we see here at the Super Trunk Show that occupies a really special and nuanced niche of classic Goodyear-welted leather dress shoes, which is really the absolute highest quality for what is sometimes an unbelievable price. I mean, the value is really off the charts, but not in a way that at all compromises the finished product, because as we can see with CNES, I mean, the shoes are absolutely exceptional.
Thank you very much. So for us, I think we are actually a brand from Vietnam.
Okay.
So we established in 2016. So I think for us, one of our key kind of like spirit behind the brand is we try to balance, a good mix of elegance and craftsmanship.
Yeah.
So for us, our shoes, we want our shoes to look stylish, elegant, but at the same time, something that's very simple that most men they can really wear and appreciate. So that's something that we are holding very dear to our hearts. And that's something that we continue to aspire to improve for the years to come.
I mean, it's a very classic, very conservative aesthetic, right? I mean, this is a beautifully well-balanced, sculpted shoe. But one of the things that I appreciate is that you still have those nuanced elements of craft that with a leather dress shoe, at least for me, is something that had me fall in love. Can you point those out? Because, I mean, there's a lot of detail to these shoes, and certainly more detail than I would imagine initially meets the eye.
Correct. So for these particular two samples that we have, it's a hand-welted construction on some of our newest lasts.
Wow.
This is on a soft chisel last. This is the soft pointed last.
So hand-welted, meaning that the insole and the upper are all sewn together by hand
instead of
the same way that you would see with the bespoke shoe.
Yes, correct. So in terms of small little details, for example, like in this part of here, right, there's very pronounced fudging. So it allows the shoe to have a bit of more presence.
Yeah.
So the welt is a bit longer, a bit wider as well.
Okay.
So on the waist, we kind of sculpted the waist to be tighter than most brands. Very tight, nice arrow waist. Some really liken it to like a feather bag.
Okay.
So it's something that's very special to our brand.
Yeah.
You can even find something like that on our ready-to-wear range.
Okay.
So that's something really special.
How many different collections are there then? You have ready-to-wear.
Ready-to-wear.
And what's the price point that's beginning at?
In US dollars, it's starting from $250 to about just under $300.
Wow. Okay. And then what are the other lines?
For made to order, it's a bit more. It starts from about $350 just to below $400.
Okay, depending on kind of all the
Construction, the leather, etc.
And then what about the hand-welted line?
So the hand-welted line, it starts from about $400 US, and it picks off just under $550.
Really?
Yeah.
So for less than $600, you can get a pair of hand-welted
Precisely.
leather dress shoes. That's incredible.
Calfskin, suede, of course, a bit more in shell cordovans and exotics.
Of course.
Yep. So that's something that I think it's one of our strongest key propositions to our customers. And then we hope that they can also appreciate craftsmanship at a very good value.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, as I always say, value is a three-dimensional kind of optimization: time, money, and knowledge. Right. And I think this is a great example where, with a little bit more knowledge of knowing about CNES, a little bit more time of maybe coming to the Super Trunk Show or working with you through your website, you can achieve an incredible quality at a fantastic value.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. And how does it work with customers from the United States? I mean, of course, you're here at the New York Super Trunk Show. You're always attending the London Super Trunk Show. We'll be in Singapore together. But if someone isn't able to visit you personally, how are they working with CNES through the website to determine the proper size and then to design and build their shoe?
So actually for now, most of our customers communicate with us via email, WhatsApp, or even direct Instagram messages. And then most of them, they actually just purchase off our existing site right now. Okay. But in the months to come, we will be doing like a complete overhaul of the web store. So it allows customers to purchase shoes directly off the site. Yeah. And it allows them to customize their shoes directly online. Okay. So that's something new. And we are very excited about it. Yeah. And we look forward to introducing this new segment probably in the next few months to come, hopefully before Christmas this year.
And then whenever someone is working with you, over Instagram, WhatsApp, or email, you're going through them really the entire design process of, what type of fiddle do they want? I mean, how detailed or granular can the customer get and how it is they want their shoe to be made?
So for example, for our made-to-order program, for example, if they prefer to have some slight last adjustments, for example, along the instep or along the ball,
Okay.
we can do that.
Okay, wow.
So it's essentially like a made-to-order with some elements of made-to-measure.
Yeah,
So that's something that we can really do.
yeah, because my instep is one of the things that I can find a ready-to-wear pair of shoes that fits perfectly, but sometimes the instep isn't built up enough, and at the end of the day, that can become kind of quite tiresome. But that's a small modification that you guys can make on your ready-to-wear or your made-to-measure program.
Yes,
Or
absolutely.
made-to-order.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing. And then what about other details here? I mean, like this has a slightly kind of spaded toe
Correct.
on the welt. I mean, again, small little nuanced detail that I think most would walk by and not even see. Whenever someone is working with you, are they able to, specify this level of detail?
Of course, so for some customers who prefer a bit something more aggressive, you can opt for this spade finishing.
Yeah.
So, it's kind of like, it's more angular, more pronounced. So if you're really enjoying these kind of details, something that harkens back to the years of 1930s, 40s, yeah, you can always do that, yeah.
And something like this, what are we looking at? Less than
Just under $500
$500. Wow.
plus shipping, yeah.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Alan, of course, for your continued support of the Super Trunk Show series. We appreciate everything you do, indulging those of us passionate about quality craftsmanship and tradition and fantastic shoes. I wish whenever I was just getting started into menswear, companies like yours were around because, I mean, really, a shoe like this at this quality level, really until recently was only accessible well above the $1,000 price point. So it's really fantastic for those of us that love quality but don't have unlimited budgets. Alan, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Best of luck
Kobe.
here at the Super Trunk Show.
Yes.
And I look forward to seeing you soon in Singapore.
Thank you very much.